You know what this shoe is? This shoe is made for the greatest Chicago Bull of all time. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost sneaker review. Today we have up for review is the Nike Air Maestro 2 Limited Rush Orange. Quick history on the Air Maestro 2. The Air Maestro 2 was actually not originally a Scottie Pippen sneaker. It was just worn by Scottie Pippen so much that in 2016, Nike basically just went out and said, hey, look, this is now Scottie Pippen's shoe. Which is, great, because for the longest time, we already considered it a Scottie Pippen shoe anyway. Now, this shoe is actually not an original Nike Air Maestro 2. Instead, what it is it's based off of the Kith collaboration that released last year. Now, the Kith collaboration was actually one of my favorite collabs from last year, including the Off-White collab. I just like that purple pair, and the red one I picked up because it reminded me of the All-Star pair from Scottie Pippen when he played in 1994 when he won the All-Star MVP. First, let's take a look at the box. Now, this box is huge. Like, size comparison. This is the Kith box. Here's the Air Maestro box. It's literally almost twice the size of this box. It's crazy. The color code on the shoe is white, rush orange, and black. Let's take a look at the shoe. So the shoe has a variety of materials on the upper, and they all coordinate with the various colors. The black on the shoe is suede, the white on the shoe is leather, and the orange is tumble leather. And I don't know why they made the orange tumble leather. Whenever I see orange tumble leather, it just reminds me of a basketball, which, if that was what they were doing, great job, Nike. White leather overlays, rush orange in various little hits around the shoe, and it's got the rush orange swoosh, again in tumble leather, white toe box, black suede toe cap, black overlays on the lateral, and on the heel you've got the black suede panels with the orange heel and the black branding on the heel. On the midsole you have the graphic. It's a white and black graphic. It's also there's a couple hits of orange and the air bubble right there. And then the outsole is black, white, and orange. On the tongue, you've got the Flight logo, which is the classic logo from the Air Maestro 2. And because this is the Kith installation, it's got this kind of Velcro going on here, and it's also got the zipper on the lateral. One thing I did not like about the Kith Air Maestro was the fact that this is actually a very hard shoe to get on, because you've got so many different apparatuses that you have to function with. You got to have the zipper, then you have the straps, then you have the shoelaces, and you can obviously leave all that alone. Like, you can just leave them unzipped, keep the tongue out, and just rock them like that. And that's fine, but if you want to keep them like really strapped down, if you want to play ball in them, you're gonna have to, zip everything up, strap yourself down and everything. And that can be a big chore, and that may not be for everybody. But I'm a fan of the Air Maestro 2 for a couple reasons. One, because of the fact that Scottie Pippen is actually one of my favorite basketball players of all time. Also, this shoe has that very 90s appeal. Even this updated Kith version, which is why I actually bought both pairs, it has that very 90s appeal, and I love 90s basketball. 90s basketball is definitely one of my favorite eras. Yes, even more so than 80s era, the Air Jordan 3. The Air Jordan 7 is actually one of my favorite Air Jordans. What are the differences between the Kith pair and the Rush Orange pair? Well, just branding differences, really. The Kith pair has the Kith logo on the tongue, also has the embossed Kith logo on the heel, and it also has the Just Us branding. I don't know if you can really see that. It says Just Us, and that was actually the tagline for the Kith Pippen collection. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe. Catch you guys after the jump. The Nike Air Maestro 2 Limited Rush Orange hit select Nike retailers and Nike.com on April 7th. Retail price will be $140. Alright everyone, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Also, check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker info, and sneaker release dates. Lastly, you can follow us on social media here. My name is John, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.